Hello, 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 and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. I'm going to speak about performances now and some no-nos, okay? Especially when you're starting out, a lot of times it feels awkward using your arms and expressing yourself, because when you're performing, it's bigger than life. And when you're in real life, you just feel like everything's fine. But if you go like this, you feel like that's kind of weird, putting my arm way out and going like this, But of course, I love it. So now I'm going to go through my no-nos that I have here. So you want to be like a pro, especially if you're going to be on stage, on a big stage, and musical theater. Sometimes with a group, it's a little bit more relaxed and you don't have to worry about things, but you still have to know what to do with your hands or some certain things that might be, it's like, I don't think you should do that, okay? So I wrote them down, and the basic thing was that the reason why I came up with this was one of my students was filming an audition here, and she had to audition. And she was doing her song, and she knows her song. She was singing it really well, but the way she was using her hands, it really brought down her performance, her vocal performance. So we had to go over a few no-nos. One is, okay, and I'm going to use my mic now, and I'm going to stand for you. One is the tummy. So if you go, all of me loves all of you, love your firms and all your pleasures. And then the other one is hands are always down here, okay? So you don't want to have a tummy ache. I call it the tummy ache because it's either here or here, and always going me, me, my heart. That's normal to go, my heart loves you. It's normal to do that, but instead, all of me loves all of you. Love your curves and all your... So now notice, I'm having my hands right here also. Now I can also change into the other hand, but if it was a slow song, all of you, all your perfect imperfections. Okay, so there you got a move, but it's subtle. I don't do that. All your perfect imperfections. Give me all. Okay, so now I'm getting into a rhythm. I do a little rhythm, but I don't get my tummy. Oh, I love you so much. No, I don't have a tummy ache. Okay, that's what I call it. So instead of doing that, have your all of me loves all of you. Love your curves. So now I'm keeping my hands in here. I'm in time. Now that's me. Okay. Maybe you're a little bit different. All of me loves all of you. Love your, but still my body is feeling it. Okay? But I'm not doing the tummy ache. I'm not doing, my heart belongs to you, All right? So those are two things. Let me see. Also, oh yeah. So now when we have a nice, beautiful ballad, you don't want to be swaying. Signing off, does it surprise you? Look at my hand. I won't need your lips anymore. See how this hand is here? All right? And also, signing off, does it surprise you? I won't need your lips anymore. Signing off, can't idolize you. I won't, la la la. So now I held the mic a little differently, but I stood still. I didn't sway through the whole thing. I'm a moving target. I do swaying while I'm praying. Oh, thank you, God. But I'm not praying. I'm doing a ballad, this soft ballad. So I want to stand in one position. Okay? So remember these things. It's so important to have them. Now, let me just see if I have another thing here. Oh, yeah. You want to practice with the mirror. Use the mirror and practice you, me, and here we are. See, now you're using your hands to describe things in the flow of the river. That's it. You can do that. That's great. So I'm trying to see if I've got everything, for you. Yes, and the problem is that you're doing what you're used to. A lot of times you're used to a certain thing, or you'll just do this with the hand, constantly do this with the hand, or hold both hands up. It's like, nah, okay? Recording and performance. When you're doing recording with the lens, all right? When you're recording a song, and I wrote these two things down, and these are our final points. Live, and you're looking at the lens, because my student was doing that. The lens is one out of many. So I'm looking over here, I'm looking over there, and then I'm looking at this person here and that person. So it's one of many because I'm performing. So when you're auditioning and you're going to perform, you look at different places, all right? But when you're recording the song and your vocal is just going in here and it's your vocal that you're performing, then it is one and it is many, because all they're doing is listening. So it's both. You've got to record, and that's what I put down, that the lens is many as well as one. All right, so you've really got to get that expression in your mouth through into this microphone. You've got to be able to express to everybody. So it's one person and many people that you're going to really give all of what you have to give, which is wonderful. Wonderful stuff you have to give. All right? Okay. So now, what you gonna do? When the well runs dry, what you're going to do is you're going to practice really hard. You're going to continue to practice. Use the mirror. See what you're doing. Videotape yourself, because you really don't know. You think that you know what's going on, but you really don't until you see it. Now you're using another sense. I feel like it. Feelings lie. They don't always tell you the truth, okay? They vary from day to day. So now if you look in the mirror, if you videotape yourself, now you can see. You've not only thought that you got it right, but you see whether you did it right. When you record yourself, you can hear it, whether you've gotten yourself right. Okay? I'm going to do a shameless plug. Oh, quick. Go to Amazon and get my book, honey. Okay? This is so good. I'll keep it right here. Woo, yeah. Okay, because it's such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah. You gotta subscribe, yeah. Don't forget, you gotta subscribe. Go to marquitawaters.com and let me know who you are. Let's get together. I have a membership, a subscription. It's real inexpensive. It's every week for 4 videos, 4 live videos, one every week, okay? Tell you more at my .com, marquitawaters.com. Okay, guys, I'll see you. Don't forget to leave a comment. Bye-bye.